Hello everyone, I am Sai and welcome back to my channel Sai Tech. In today's video, I'll try to talk about how you can actually disable the auto update feature in this Oneplus Nord 2 device. Yes, so just yesterday I did upload a video on top 4 issues on this Oneplus Nord 2, and I did mention about this auto update, and few of the users, it did happen to them. The phone automatically shuts down and it will try to install the update. Yes, it automatically does without even permission at all. So to avoid that, you need to disable the auto update feature. So you can find the disabling the auto update by going into the developer options. So first try to go to the settings and go to the additional settings, and here you can find the developer options. If you cannot see developer options, you need to activate by going into the about phone and try to tap on the version and try to tap on the build number 7 times. So you'll see this message. Now you don't need, you are already in the developer. You see this kind of message, welcome to developer options is enabled. And next try to go to this additional settings and try to go to this developer options, and here we'll be having the option which is called the automatic system updates. Try to disable this feature. So if you disable this one, from next time the phone doesn't even update automatically. That's one thing you should definitely do as soon as you get the Oneplus Nord 2 device. Please try to do it, friends, because so for example, if you're trying to do any kind of payments, or if you're trying to do any kind of important meeting or Zoom call or anything, the phone will automatically get switch off, yes, without your permission. And this, you don't know when it happens. When it will happen, you will never know. That is what I'm trying to mention. So please try to disable this auto system updates, then try to check. And thank you for watching this video, friends. And a lot of users did ask me this kind of question, that whether the Oneplus Nord 2 has any kind of mechanism to disable or not. So that is when a few of the users, they also mentioned, can you try checking in the developer options? There's a special option which is called disabling auto updates. So that's how I came to know as well. So make sure to disable this before actually using the phone as well. So thank you for watching this video, friends, and see you in the next video. Until then, stay tuned for more updates. In case if you want this kind of wallpapers, check the playlist which I have created for the wallpapers. See you in the next video, friends. Until then, bye.